It's Gypsy Man, and we have something special here. We got a Glock 33, the first one made in production. Uh, this is Gen 3, and we're going to do a restoration project. Now, I know most people are saying that you don't have to restore Glocks, and you're absolutely right. But this Glock, since its inception, has never been clean, but still fires and shoots like you clean it every week, because that's just the liability and how solid Glocks are when it comes to being considered a duty firearm. And the reason why, you know, I trust them so much, because when you see this, the condition this is in, you won't believe it. So you can see that the stock sights have already broken off. And the front sight, as you can see here, is it's pretty chewed up. It's pretty marred up. And this gun was just fired. It probably had about 100 rounds put through it, and it still fires. And you may not believe that when you see the inside of this gun. So let's disassemble it. This firearm is clear. Let's go ahead and disassemble it. I'm gonna do that a little bit off camera and bring it right back. So we're gonna bring it back. We almost had it. Let's try it one more time. All right. So we got it disassembled. And just look at this. Look at this gun. Gen 3 never been cleaned. Probably never been oiled from the looks of it. It looks like a rat's nest in there. It looks like it was a barn find. This is exactly what we're gonna call it, as a barn find Glock. And I might find some critters or some carcasses or some exoskeletons inside of this when we clean it. And that's just the frame, y'all. Like I said, I don't know if this thing's been oiled and cleaned ever. And was carried on the side all this time. Let's check out the slide. Check out this slide. The slide, it looks like it's been through Desert Storm and back, okay? It's seen better days. But we're gonna restore this and get it back pristine. You know, polish the bar, polish the plunger, polish the striker spring, you know, clean up this spring. As you see, they were always using a double capture spring in Gen 3s for the smaller guns. And let's see what this barrel looks like. Look at that barrel. Look at that. It's dry as a bone. A lot of people don't know you have to oil your guns once in a while. Even though it's metal, it still absorbs that oil. It sounded like I pulled it out of a rusty bucket, metal bucket. Look at that. So dry. So we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna give it some love and care. I mean, they have different oil points nowadays for Glock. And you can see that that has never, down in here, has never been oiled. Look at that. So we're gonna clean her up, disassemble her, and I'm gonna take you for that ride with me, for that journey of restoring this Glock 33 that still fires like it's been oiled. I mean, this really proves to me that Glock is a dry gun, but you still need to oil it. Just take a look at that. Look at that trigger housing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how thick that is. It looked like it's been chopping wood in this, man. Using a chainsaw. This might have been the chainsaw. It might have been cutting down trees with this. Look at that. All right. So let's get started on this project and get this Glock 33 back together. Looks like it's been changing oil. Look how shiny that frame is. Look like it's been changing oil and going shooting targets with this thing. See, we can clean that up too. All right, Gypsy Man. And this is part one, intro. I'm out.